Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn single image ad on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboards option. At the LinkedIn section, you can find it, the LinkedIn single image ad, and just tap on it. If you want to add the pictures to the LinkedIn image ad, go to the uploads button and you can upload image, videos or audio, or go to the gallery section and you can select pictures or a video from your gallery from your device. And in the element section you can search different graphic elements, stickers, photos, videos, charts and more. If you go to the design section, you can find it styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select a template and step on it. Now you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just tap to the square icon next to the design button and just select another color. If you want to move the graphic element, just tap on it and you can move this. If you want to different text, just click that and writing your text. You can edit the font style of the text and the font size of the text. If you go to the arrow next to the Montserrat Extra button, you can select different font style and just select one and step on it. And if you tap to the plus or the minus icon, you can adjust the size of your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.